So here's Hobnob invitation maker, and then you can just tap get to install it. And then here, that's what it is. So yeah, interesting app for creating a birthday party or wedding invites. And yeah, this is an app where you can just do it in seconds, and it can seem like a quite complicated task, but with this app you can just easily and quickly do that. So just open up the app. Here how it works, you just need to create an event. You can create an announcement. You can also create RSVP event. You can also select are you a guest, or you can just log in. But let's start create an event. You can just start with creating announcement. You can also just add birthday, optional date and time, optional location. Like for example, select design, open your camera roll, and then for example image search. You can search some images, and then select and continue. For example, there is virtual meeting link. And then you just need to create an account to save a draft and event. And yeah, so this app is basically, like Canva. Of course, you can do all of these invitations in Canvas or like Photoshop. However, yeah, you can see here, you can then send by text and email. So in this app, it's super easy. It's integrated. You can add guests, and then you can add RSVPs. You can add polls, sign up, and sell. You can also sell tickets, organize in groups, topics. So it's quite advanced app just for a birthday party or wedding or some events, just to create these flyers. And yeah, so very interesting app. Try it out.